Since 2017, NEET has been a boiling, volatile subject when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics. And even today, inside the assembly session, which is being conducted at Kalaivanar Arangam, the second day, the issue was raised by the opposition leader, M.K. Stalin. The sequence of events was a little bit disturbing, as initially when M.K. Stalin raised the issue, he stated that a resolution must be passed against the centre for not providing exemption to Tamil Nadu from NEET. However, AIADMK leader Inbadurai MLA actually went ahead and he blamed Congress party for whatever has occurred. What Inbadurai did was that he said that when AIADMK did take all steps to scrap NEET, and as it went to the Supreme Court, it was Congress leader and former finance minister Chidambaram's wife Nalini Chidambaram who appeared in favor of NEET, and all their work was thwarted. This unfortunately did not go well with the Congress MLAs, who immediately created a ruckus claiming that all the comments of Inbadurai must be expunged of the assembly records. The speaker denied. Congress MLAs also refused to sit down once again. The speaker actually ordered the marshals to evict them, but Congress MLAs staged a walked out, and at that point Congress leader Ramasamy stated that even though Congress brought NEET, it was not imposed upon states, and if the states wanted, they could have accepted it or not. However, Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy also provided an answer, but that answer to Stalin's questions was in a form of a series of questions. The first question was whether DMK was part of the Congress regime when NEET was passed. The second question was that how could DMK not do whatever that could have been done to actually make sure that NEET was scrapped. And for that, MK Stalin once again replied, claiming that during the regime of Karunanidhi, Tamil Nadu actually acquired exemption year after year, and so it was during the period of Jayalalitha. And then for this is the Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, who apparently we could visually see him raising the voice, stated that DMK committed a historic blunder and it cannot be hidden, and he said that DMK is responsible for the death of 13 medical aspirants since 2017. Now the issue is that whether NEET exams will be conducted in the state of Tamil Nadu henceforth or not. For that, we did not get any answer. And the thing is that many medical aspirants in the state of Tamil Nadu are still waiting for a solution as what to be done, because as per the experts, the syllabus that is being utilized by the Tamil Nadu government, the state board, and the syllabus that is being used for conducting NEET examination, that is CBSE, has a vast difference, and to actually fill this gap itself, it will take several years. Those things were unfortunately not discussed in the assembly today, but it turned out to be a blame game between AIADMK and DMK once again. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.